closer to yours. Catch my breath and I say, I'm the one you're looking for. So come on, dance a little dance. Take my hand, darling, take a chance. You be my queen, I'll be your king.
What's up, bar family? How you guys doing? Hope everybody's having a great day. Ryan checking in with you guys here, sitting in a hotel. I'm actually in Nashville, so welcome to Nashville. I'm away from the family right now on a business trip, and I just wanted to check in, say hi to you guys. The hotel I'm staying at is called the Sonesta. It's in Nashville, Tennessee. It's got this like country vibe to it, but it's like a modern country. The room has wood floor throughout, which is really nice. Usually hotel rooms don't have that, so it's a nice little feature. Wasn't expecting that. It's nice having the wood floor. I'd actually prefer that rather than carpet like most hotel rooms have. It's just the carpet gets really dirty with all the foot traffic, people in and out. So that's a nice little twist. It's got some wallpaper to it. It's very accessible. It's right near the airport. It's probably about 10-15 minutes away from the airport. Drive wasn't bad getting in. Easy to get in and out of Nashville here. It's my first time in Nashville, so just here on business. I'll switch the camera over here and turn that around to show you guys a little room tour and showcase this room that I'm sitting in. So this is the perspective of walking in the front. So this is the main room. Here's the wood floor that I was talking about. It's got a nice rustic look to it, nice and clean. So you take your first left, and then this is the bathroom right here. So it's got tile throughout the bathroom right here. And then, you know, you just got your general towels and stuff down here. Got the blow dryer, wastebasket, and then it's got a nice granite countertop to it. So it's very nice and clean. Housekeeping did a very good job in this room. Very impressed by that. Looks very nice, presentable. So this is the sink with a nice granite counter. So let's see what Sonesta's hooking us up here. We got shampoo, lotion, bath gel, and conditioner. So we'll definitely try that out in the morning. Hopefully it's got a good smell to it. Whether hit or miss. I feel like the popular scents are usually lemon. So we'll see with those. I usually, when I stay in hotels, I usually don't bring body wash and stuff like that. I usually use the hotel stuff. So I'm very familiar with these little sample size things that they provide as far as the conditioner, bath gel, shampoo, lotion, all that good stuff. So hopefully that's a good experience in the morning, and I smell good and not like a lemon. Hopefully it's got a good scent to it. So, and then just got some, looks like cucumber acai vegetable soap right there. Look at that. So definitely be checking out that soap. It sounds like it's got a pretty good scent to it. From the sink, you're just going into the bathroom. So here's the toilet, and with a walk-in shower. Kind of a subway tile look in here in the shower. The drain's pretty fancy in here though. There's the drain, that's pretty cool looking. So pretty modern looking shower. Subway throughout, and then you got just a basic shower head for the shower. And then we're walking out of the shower area. Looks like you just got like a little area. Usually there's a closet here in most places, but it looks like it's probably just a area for storage, you know, putting luggage and bags and stuff like that. I'm walking out of the bathroom. Looks like it's got a barn door feature for the bathroom. And then make an immediate left. This will go into the main room. Here again, here's that wood floor again that I'm digging. It's got a nice look to it, nice and clean. It's got a little rustic look to it. And then this is the main room. So, and this is what I was talking about. It's got like a nice modern country feel to it. So it's got wallpaper on some of the walls, like this one right here has got some wallpaper, some nice modern wallpaper. It's got looks like some ropes on it, some cool wallpaper on the wall. And then the thermostat's digital too, so that's a cool feature. As you can see, there's any buttons on the thermostat. You just touch the screen to adjust the fan speed and how hot or cold you want it in the room. And these buttons right here are all touch screen, so you just press the button right here to change the temperature, and it also displays the temperature outside. So right now it's partly cloudy, 85 degrees, and then it'll be a low of 67. So that's my weather report for the day as meteorologist Ryan. And then we got the closet here. Doesn't have any doors or anything, so it's got that modern country feel in the closet as well. It's kind of got that rustic look. So it's got like a little built-in feature. And you got a drawer and then an area for your shoes. Open up this drawer. Just a basic drawer. This looks like this area might be for your clothes maybe, so we'll open this up, a little wardrobe area. Oh, nope, I'm wrong. Definitely not for your clothes. So it's just an area for the iron and ironing board. There's anything for your storage for clothes or anything. Looks like everything just gets hung up right here where these hangers are for your clothes. So nice little area for the iron board and the iron, so it's not junked up in your room. Nice and neat. There's a nice spot for it, so that's pretty cool. Keeps the room nice and organized. And you got an extra pillow up here. And then here's the bed. And then you got wallpaper on that wall behind the bed. Adds a nice look to it. And these lights are cool too. I like these lights that are hanging right here. I got this place lit up for you guys. Every light is on. And here's the bed. Looks nice and cozy. Over here, you got the desk area. So you got a lamp. Got the garbage area, office chair. Got some plugs right here with some charging ports, USB ports, and just regular plugs. Looks like they got Netflix on the TVs, or Netflix button right there on the remote. The remote's nice and neat standing like this. They did a great job preparing this room. I'll give them props for sure. Got a menu for in-room dining, a little ice bucket, some cups. Oh, we got a fridge. Look at that. Nice looking fridge, see-through. Adds a cool touch to it. So you got a little Keurig right here. And then right down there, you got stuff to do about Nashville, I'm guessing. A little book about Nashville. And then more storage right here, so where your shoes will go. And then you can sit down there on that padded area to put your shoes on. Another plug over there. And then here's a little couch area, so you can sit down right here if you don't want to sit on the bed. You got a cool pillow. Liberty Mills, Nashville, Tennessee. So got still sticking here with the country vibe with this pillow. And then with the couch, you know, you got the modern vibe. So definitely country modern vibe throughout the room. And then you just got a basics stand-up lamp right here. And on the other side, you just have another end table with the alarm clock, the phone, and then you have another one of those cool lamps that was on the other side of the bed. Nice modern looking phone too. I feel like some of these rooms need to update their phones. This one's nice and modern looking, nice and slim. Some of these rooms I've been staying in lately, bulky old phones, looks like they're from the 90s. You got the shades right here, and then that goes into the view. And as you can see, I don't have a very good view. Looks like I have a roof view and a parking lot view. So we'll check that out over here. So to the left, roof. At least I can see the sky though. Beautiful blue skies out today. And then you got a tree right here. And then on the other side, just more roof. And then you can see the parking lot. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed the room. If you're in the area, definitely recommend Sonesta. The rooms are great. Housekeeping did a great job preparing this room. It's very nice, clean, presentable. I haven't really seen much of the hotel yet. I haven't seen any of the like features like restaurants or anything. Just kind of checked in, came straight up to the room on the elevator. I'm on the 3rd floor right now. Looked like there was a decent amount of floors. I'd probably say at least 20 something floors in this hotel. So there's an ample amount of rooms, and the rooms are very nice as you guys just saw. So if you're in the area, check out Sonesta. It's close to the airport. It's about 10-15 minutes away from the airport, and it's right in Nashville. So it's right in the heart of everything, the city, and then you can get in and out with the airport and everything. So I hope everybody enjoyed this video I just showed here with this room tour in Nashville. I'll be here for the next couple days, and then I'm going to get back to my family. Once I get back to them, of course, we're going to be doing more vlogs and recording of our life and the activities that we're doing. So I hope everybody's enjoying our videos, our content, our wild rides of family, and we will look forward to seeing everybody in the next video. And don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe our content, and we'll see you guys soon.